So now we're recording. This is Amy Bloom's English 1010 A04. You'll see that we got here from the home website, nscc.edu. Clicking for current students, and then NS Online D2L, that's the name of our online system for our online classrooms. And then once you log in with your A number, find us on the home page under the course title. You can also find us under this little square menu. If you click that, it unfolds all of your classes. Your current classes should be pinned to the top here. And so if anybody is like stuck in any of these systems, can't log in, don't have access, something like that, please let me know. Send me an email or send me a text. My job is to help you get unstuck. I'm going to change this to the student view so that you can see. So I'll show you what students look at rather than the teacher's view. And so you might have to hop between classes. So you might have to open up, if you're enrolled in writing support, for example. I actually teach writing support. So I might be hopping back and forth between writing support and English composition 1010 or another class. So this is a link, they go directly to those other classes, so you can go back and forth. If you ever get lost on here, you can always just click this link here at the top and it takes you back to the home page right here. And or you can always if you're really lost and you want to start over, you can click this little house and that'll take you to your originating login page where you see your course listing in picture form here. So if you ever get lost, you can use those ways to get back home. So, all right. So on our home page, okay. So you're going to notice that we have these tools at the top, and these tools are going to take you to different parts of our class website. I'm not going to go into like a whole lot of detail today, but we'll learn some of this over time. But I'm gonna get you up and running and show you the main features today. Okay, so we have, like I said, this is the link to get you back home. You have, first of all, you have, let me start with this down here first. So you're going to see there's a news box. This news box is, this will shoot out to everybody in the class. So if I have an announcement I need to make, like today being on Zoom, for example, you'll see that I'm going to post a note to everyone. And you can get these notifications on your phone if you do the Pulse app, and I'll show you how to do the Brightspace Pulse app a little bit later. And you can get the news notifications, and you can also get the calendar reminders that come in right into your phone. It makes it easy to not forget your homework. So these news notifications, you'll see the last one down here, and so they get pushed down as I make new ones. So if I need to, if there's a date change on a due date or something like that, or something happens, then you'll get a notification for me here. Now this is specific to English 1010. For your other classes, like writing support, reading support, math, whatever, they have their own sites. They look a lot like this one, and they will make their own news notifications and deadlines coming from there. Over here on the left, you're going to see a calendar box. It might be folded up. It might look like this. So it's easy to miss if it's folded up. But click the little arrow to upcoming events and unfold what you see. So what you're going to see here, notice you have today's date and all the other dates in the future, in the near future, that is, and it only fits, a couple, the next few. So you can go in and look at the entire listing by clicking this link here to calendar. And You can change the way this is arranged. You can, I like to look at the list because it shows you everything in descending order based on time, but you can change it and look at what is this week or this month, and that changes the view of what is in the calendar for this class. So you can also look by agenda. That's like what's coming up. And let's see here. These little arrows will unfold what's underneath. So it tells you what's coming up for Monday. So we have this week, you'll see, we have readings for our textbook. I'll show you how to get to the textbook here in a little bit, but you have a date range. So you should be working on this reading assignment and these items during this date range. So let's see here. You can go back to list view and see what's coming up. So this is a list of everything in the whole semester right here, starting with week 1. I think you guys may not see the items in the past. So once they pass their due dates, I don't know, I don't think they show up here for students. So all right. You can also see your due dates for this class by clicking the schedule button. Now this schedule button takes you to a document. It's a Word document. You can download it, you can print it. I'm gonna can download it here by clicking the little arrow and keep a copy of it. And this is just our course assignments for English 1010. And I'm gonna give you guys paper copies when we get to class next week. So don't worry about printing it. I can take care of that for you for next week. And so this will tell you that week by week what you'll be working on. So we're going to start by navigating to our online classroom. That's what we're doing right now. Get to access your textbook, log into the website, get yourself a notebook or a laptop, bring that to class each day. We will log into this website. Hopefully you're there with me right now. And then look at these pages. So we're going to go to log in to NS Online and then go to content and getting started. So what that means is you're going to go to, you have these menus up here. It's going to tell you where to go. Content is right here. So remember, if you have to read it, if it's something on this website, like instructions to an assignment, for example, then it's going to be under content. Okay. So that's what that means when says go to content, that's what that means. Go to content, and then there's a page underneath called getting started. So you have some pages to look at this week. And I will show you these today. I will point them out, but then I'll ask you to look at them and read them on your own time. And then the first chapter we're going to look at or start working on is chapter 11 from our textbook. And so that is, just getting started in the textbook. We're not really, I do not give quizzes on the textbook or anything like that, but we'll be practicing the methods in class. All right, go back to the home page. All right, I'm going to pause the recording.